So, Mike, you said you were about to fire the heavy artillery, so I thought I'd put on my battle armor.
You dress quite appropriately.
Thank you. So, what are we doing?
This is the ultimate medieval play toy. Called a trebuchet. It
Okay.
throws boulders through the air for tremendous distances.
My duty is to protect this castle.
One last chance. Surrender!
Or die!
Did you hear anything?
Now they choose to die. Take that, Newmans! Oh yeah, that felt good.
You know, some people would say Mike is crazy. But if it's crazy that builds castles in the woods just because you can, well, then that's a crazy that we could all use more of in this world. And Mike might be my crazy hero. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com. Or here's some other videos you may like. Vaya con Dios, amigos.